So I just came in today and the kitchen sink is clogged. You know, we have a disposal underneath. So the first thing we're going to do is come over here to the switch that operates the disposal. Hear that? That means it's jammed up. So you make sure you turn the switch back off. So I'll just come under here. Got this little tool that comes with the disposals. I always keep it. Oh, that water stink. And if you go underneath, there's a little hole there. You stick this tool in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand while holding the camera. Hold on. See if I can find the hole. Alright. So it's in. Then you should just be able to turn. Oh, what the hell? Oh yeah. That's gone. It shouldn't be this hard to move. That means something is really jammed in there. So I have to go and get my shop vac. Suck out this water. I need to see if I can fix it, or if not, replace it. You unplug the disposal, you remove your drain line. This line goes to the dishwasher. Alright, so I'm just taking these screws out. There's only 2 screws in there. Oh, dropped it. By the way, it takes a 3/8 bit. In case you guys are wondering, 3/8 bit. It's way easier to do than a screwdriver. So this little metal bracket slides off. That frees up the pipe that's going straight to the disposal. Okay. So now you can literally just move it out the way. Boom. Just like that. And that's water still dripping out from the dishwasher there. Oh. Get your instructions. Don't need that. We save these in case one ever goes bad, so you don't have to replace that one in there. That one is good. So we save on. We hold on to that. Then up. Here's your disposal. I can get it out. Boom. Okay, so basically all you're gonna do is take your old disposal, flip it over. Hopefully it's, all right, cool. So, see that right there? Boom, Phillips head screw. Let me get my drill and my bit. Take that screw out. Take the cover off, get your wires in there, untwist the wire nuts, and get the wires out, sheesh. So you untwist your wire nuts. Boom. Should be 3 in there. Unscrew that green screw. Just like that. Boom, boom. All wires are free. All right. Old, new. So you got your new disposal. Same thing. Take the screw off. Don't lose the screw. Take the metal door off. Boom. I already stripped my wires. Make them look good. Stick them through the hole. So they come out on the other side. Probably should have stripped them after I stuck them through the hole. I don't know why I did that just now. Sometimes I've been losing it. Sorry. But yeah, get it through the hole. Make sure your wires are still nice. So the ground wire, you gotta take that screw off. Hooks on there. Notice there's no black or white wire on the actual plug itself. It's just straight up 2 black wires. So that means you can go in either or. It doesn't matter. So got your wires all hooked up. Boom, boom, and boom. Just tuck those back inside. Get a little plate. Back on. See a little hole there? It's only 1 screw that holds it in. So, boom. Remember, if you're using this disposal and you have a dishwasher, and remember I showed you guys the drain line. The drain line needs to hook up here, right there. But when you get a brand new disposal, if you look inside, it's blocked. So you're gonna have to make sure you break it open. You stick a screwdriver in, and you can either get a hammer, or you can be really strong and just break it open, just like that. And now you're good. And then you just put it in. Break that little piece that's inside of the hole. Be sure to take it out, because sometimes it falls inside. So be sure to get it out. There you go. It came out. Because this little piece right here can cause havoc on your life. So at the end of the day, it's time to go home. You go upstairs to replace this disposal, and you're like, all right, I got this. Swap it out, and you forget to pull that little piece out. Later on that night, you get a call. Oh, there's water everywhere. Or my dishwasher threw up all over the place, or it's leaking under my sink. Yeah, that's because the water that's trying to be pushed into the disposal from the dishwasher drain line has nowhere to go because it's still blocked. So it ends up forcing itself back into the dishwasher, or sometimes even just leaking, you know, under the sink. Then you get called out just for that. So make sure you pull that little plastic piece out. Save your life. All right, so this is the little baggie that comes in the box with the disposal as well. Got a little line there. We're not gonna use that today. That goes to, if you don't have the straight pipe, then you will put this on there to the PV rail. I'm not using that. What we are using is, you got a little rubber gasket there. You're gonna put that right in this little hole here. Let it sit right in there, and it sits flush. There we go, there it is. That little loop there, next to the big one, they're gonna hook onto the grooves that's up here. So, you gotta get your disposal up there right where you want it. Make sure it's flushed in there. And then, holding it up, slide that little metal piece. Boom, and then you turn your disposal whichever way you want it to link up to the pipe. So you want it to be flush just like that. You got the rubber gasket inside, and it's flush to the hole. Then you just slide that little metal bracket. You get your 2 screws. Screw it in. Screw this one in. Hold on, I gotta put this phone down. Put a hex bit on it and screw it in. But I don't have my drill with me right now because it's in the other room. So I got a flathead. Boom. Tighten those up. Nice and tight. Take your drain line. You'll take your drain line, put it back on, make sure it's nice and flush. I still had that ring on there. Slide it on up till you get to that position. Then you gotta grab your channel locks again. Squeeze, slide till about right there. Looks like the middle, a little, well, more closer towards the disposal. Let go. Boom. It's tight. Make sure it's tight. You don't want no leaks. Take your plug. Plug it right on in. Let's see. Let's come on up to the top. Hit the switch. Hear that? That means she's working right. Run some water in there first of all. Yeah. Coming down good. See no leaks. No leaks. Alright, we out of here.